Tired of the chaos and ready to turn your business communication into a well-oiled machine? Today, we're diving deep into how Wati Automation works, revealing the magic behind streamlined workflows and happier customers. This video will give you a complete overview of what goes on under the hood so you can make the most of it. At its core, Wati Automation operates on a simple principle: triggers, actions, and integrations. Think of triggers as the starting gun. These are specific events that kick off an automated sequence. It could be anything: a customer sending a message on WhatsApp, a new lead entering your CRM, or even a scheduled time of day. Wati offers a variety of triggers, each designed to respond to different scenarios. For example, you can use keyword detection to trigger an automated response when a customer uses a specific word in their message, or a new contact added to your system can instantly trigger a personalized onboarding sequence. Once a trigger is activated, actions are the steps that Wati automatically performs. These actions could be anything from sending a pre-written message, adding the contact to a specific list, updating information in your contact database, or even sending data to another platform via a webhook. Now let's talk integrations. This is where the true power of Wati comes to life. Wati seamlessly integrates with a wide range of popular platforms, allowing you to connect your communication workflows with your existing business tools. For instance, you can use a Zapier integration to create a new contact in your CRM when a new customer interacts with your WhatsApp chatbot. By combining triggers, actions, and integrations, you can create powerful automated workflows that streamline your communication, boost sales, and provide exceptional customer support. So, start exploring the possibilities and see how Wati Automation can transform your business today. Don't forget to subscribe for more Wati tips and tricks.